So excited. What's it gonna be? Package number 1, really exciting. Wrist compression things. I have terrible wrist pain. I think it's because I'm on my computer or playing guitar all the time, so somebody recommended these to me. That and handstand, so we're gonna see how that works out. Okay, inside package number 2, cool pop blocker. What's this called again? Pop filter for my microphone, so I can have an even cleaner sound. Final product. Make it a lot more clean sound. I got inside here, just the best face masks ever. If you're looking for a little self-care to K19, this is where it's at. Next, if we look inside this box, we've got, will it come out? Oh my gosh. Soap holder. I need a soap holder for the shower. Okay, let's open this puppy, see what we got going on here. Okay, inside we got a USB to my Canon 70 whatever, so that'll be awesome. I can actually plug it in my computer, go live from there, which will be really cool. Then, I'm a sketchbook lady for my planning to the end of days, so. Now on to the big one. What can it be? Oh my gosh, it's just such a cool self-ring lighting set. You can set up your camera to it, get awesome lighting. This is going to be great for live, shooting quick videos. I am so excited to set this one up. Package of the day, just went to the doctor, officially have bronchitis, so you hate to hear that. Really living for this sexy phlegm though, but so glad to be done with this, so hopefully these drugs can just get this cough out of me soon.